Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel and Facebook page. Today, I will show you how to fix the USB device not recognized in the Windows operating system. Let's go start. Go to this PC and right-click on it and select the Manage. Click Device Manger. On the right side options Universal Serial Bus Controller, under right-click on Unknown USB Device. And go Update. Already the best driver installed. Again, same process the USB composite device. Again, same process the USB root hub. Close the windows. Press the Windows key and select and click on Settings, and click System. Under System, click on Power and Sleep. Click on the additional power settings on the right. Click Change Plan Settings. After clicking Change Advanced Power Settings. USB Settings. Under USB Selective Suspend Settings Options is on Battery option is Uncheck Allow the computer to turn off this device to save power. Apply and OK click. Close the window. Press the Windows key and type in the Control Panel, and click on Control Panel into the search bar. Click on Hardware and Sound. Right-click on Unknown USB Device and select Troubleshoot. Now search the detecting problem. Apply this fix. And click Next and detecting additional problem. Close interface. Now restart your desktop or laptop. Do you see the USB drive icon? If you are first visiting my YouTube channel and Facebook page, please subscribe, like, follow and notify the bell icon, click, and see your next updated video.